Hi, Nor.
I'm gonna give you a haircut.
You're gonna give me a haircut?
Yes, I'm gonna get first you have to get in the smock.
I have to get the smock on? Okay, then what else? Oh, you got your scissors? Okay. What other supplies does a barber have?
Scissors.
Okay, you ready?
All
Okay.
I have to do is...
Come cut it. Look at how much hair I have. Wow.
Then I just do this scissors.
Okay.
And then
Cut.
now I just do the scissors.
The clippers?
Oh, wow.
By her ears? In front of her ears?
Ooh, it's kind of tickly.
Okay. Now brush it. Now brush it out. Make it look pretty.
Oh, yep, you gotta, all the barbers have to put their scissors back in their pockets. Very important.
I have to put the
Alright.
the
Hi, yo. Oh, yes, that's Mommy's. Thank you.
Let's
Let's watch Nor crawl. There she goes. Regular crawling. And she got a stinkle butt.
Oh, it's good.